Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your account ID, password, and any 2FA method. Once ready, open the Avatar World app or website and sign in. You need an active network and sufficient battery. Now navigate to the Profile or Settings Identity section. This is where you enter or update your ID. Make sure autofill is off so you type accurately, and double-check capitalization and special characters before submitting to avoid validation errors. You should type your ID precisely, matching case and symbols, because Avatar World enforces strict validation. If you paste, inspect the clipboard to remove hidden spaces or line breaks. Leading/trailing spaces often cause rejection. After entering the ID, select the correct ID type or realm if prompted, then hit Verify or Submit. The server will check uniqueness and format. While waiting, avoid navigating away. If a verification code is requested, retrieve it from your... Once the system accepts your ID, confirm the success message and let the app sync to the cloud. This prevents future desyncs. If you get a validation error, clear the field and carefully re-enter the ID. Watch for similar-looking characters like O versus 0. If problems persist, take a screenshot, note the time, and contact support with your account info. This helps them trace logs quickly. Meanwhile, try a different network or device to rule out local client issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.